Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error from Canon. It says support code 600, 6000, not 600. I hope you can see 6000. So this means like sometimes the paper feed, you need to check if your pickup rollers are good. You have to clean them to see that the paper can be fed well. Two, it could be that there's something blocking the papers to pass through. So the print head is detecting something which is stopping it to move. You understand? So that could be one of the issues. So now we're going to check. First of all, you take out this guy and you check. I don't see anything there. So if there's no anything, so now I need to go. This happens with Canon. So I need to go, I need to go. This machine is dead. I need to go and open it here. You can see. Good enough. Now we see what's going on here. You can see that it's the paper. It went down there, but not necessarily going to be the same thing or on the same side. You have to navigate this side too. I don't see anything, but I need to put on the light to see if I can see something, because after that I might find something else. Something else is done. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. You can see there is absolutely nothing that side, nothing which stops this to move. Okay, no paper, no what, that's good. So now, but this is the paper I am facing, so I'm gonna take it out and I'll see what's gonna happen. So now what I'm gonna move this gear. I hope you don't. Okay, then after moving the gear, I'm taking out this guy, right? After taking out the guy, throw the guy down or away. Make sure there's no dust on your computer, on your printer. Most clients, what they do, they have like dust and stuff. So okay, I'm closing this. Then after, I'm gonna say okay. If that doesn't work for me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna off the machine. Support code 6000. Trying to off the machine. Yeah, it went off. Make sure your machine is clean, guys. Clean, very clean. Okay, also you have to check that side off. There is no papers. Let me switch it on. After switching that on, I need to get a sample page to make copies. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna see that issue anymore. Okay. Okay, what I need to do is to make a copy to make sure everything is fine. So now, after doing that, I'm gonna say copy and then I say color. Wow, everything is fine, so there's nothing else I need. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video, guys.